Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Slamet, I'm Anissa Namira from 6th semester. I would like to answer about the final test. So the first question is choose application that help you to get a job. The first is I choose LinkedIn application because having a LinkedIn profile helps build trust with employers and also the recruiters, as they can see your recommendation and connections and the evidence of where you have added value. So actually the LinkedIn is the largest business oriented networking website geared specifically toward professionals. So it has over 500 million members in over 200 countries. And also you can get social proof for your skills and talents, and also join LinkedIn groups and follow the company. So actually I heard there are many job scam or the fake jobs on the internet. For example, in Indonesia, so there are only one problem. The company want you to pay for training materials before it will consider you for a job. Yeah, the company want you to give them money. For example, in Indonesia, many cases about they give 200 until a thousand maybe. And also the online job listing contains a link to website that requires you to first provide personal information such as your bank account or the credit card number before you can officially apply the job. So it's the job scam. There are so many cases in the world, but LinkedIn is very recommended because the first is recruiters and human resources professionals are on LinkedIn. And the second, LinkedIn has extensive job listing. The third is receive and give endorsement as testimonials. So if you have the good recommendation, the friends or the network connections will recommend you to the best company. And also make important business connection and join professional group that include like-minded people, and reach out to the people who are viewing your profile. So here we make our profile is so unique, so they will see our profile. And the last is we can read news from our connections and researches other business and introduce our other books, website, blogs, etc. And also the LinkedIn, you can build your credibility through the endorsements and also testimonials that LinkedIn allow you your contact to live on your profile, like the recommendations or writing about your 5 stars. And also we can get involved in forum or join groups and meet like-minded individual like yourself. So we can meet our forum. For example, I like tourism, so I joined the group of tourism and I met the many people who interest with the tourism like this. Well, here the pictures of the LinkedIn. So we can see the ratings and review. It's 4.5 out of 5. The review, one of the review is best application of it. So far, it's the best application for our professional social media and job seekers first. And also you can see here the menu of the LinkedIn. This is my profile. Next, we are go to the second questions. What the topic or material in this subject that you think is very important, and please explain. So the topic or material that I think important is we know how to be critical thinking, so we can analysis of an issue or situations and also the facts, data, or evidence related to it. So we need to be critical thinking whenever we are, for example, in the college or in our office. We need to be critical thinking, how to problem solving, how to find the way of the problem, and also this subject makes us creative, and such as making a CV or curriculum vitae. We need to think how to make creative design, and also learn something new and develop knowledge. For the next slide, field study makes us development the knowledge, also open-minded, critical thinking, effective time management, and also creative. I think in field study subject we use the communicative approach because there are emphasized interactions and problem solving as both the means and the ultimate goals of learning English. So this is enough for me. Thank you very much.